90 days to monetization. That is going to be our goal. That includes you. That includes me. That includes whoever wants to come along this ride, this challenge. Let's get monetized in 90 days. So in the next 90 days, I will be uploading a video every single day with tips, tricks, what worked for me, what didn't work in the past. And trust me, I have failed more times than I have succeeded, okay? And I've seen people on YouTube get monetized in a month, in 11 weeks or 12 weeks. And I just want to be here as a support system. And the reason why this is so important to do this now, at the end of 2024, we've 3 months until we hit 2025. I want your channel to be in momentum mode that when 2025 happens, you're already monetized and you could start the year being monetized. And yeah, that's what we want. And we're going to do this together. And so not only am I going to upload a video every single day to help you, the goal, I think, hopefully Monday through Friday at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be going live on my channel to help answer questions, anything you guys need. Okay. So utilize me as a resource. What gives me credit to, do something like this, right? So I've had a little bit of success on YouTube, not a huge amount, but I've done a little bit. I have been able to get 2 channels monetized. One was faceless, one was not. So here's the first channel I was able to get monetized using my face. And I've done videos in the past couple days about this channel if you want to check those out, like how much I made my first day and my first month and all that good stuff. Okay, so the channel, okay. The channel was about unemployment during the pandemic, okay? And I knew when I created the channel, it was eventually going to die. And unfortunately, that's what happened. So during the life of the channel, and in the next 90 days, I'm going to go over some successes and some failures, some things that I should have done differently in this channel to number one, get more subs, get more views, get more ad revenue, and what I could have done to make additional income streams. Okay. So as you can see from the life of the channel, I got 2.6 million views and 16,000 subscribers. And then just from AdSense alone, I mean, around $17,000. And the reason why it stopped is because, again, it was during the pandemic. Another channel I created, this was a faceless channel. And unfortunately, crazy, this channel stopped because the pandemic happened. So yeah. But total, I got 1.1 million views in a short amount of time. And then almost 5,000 subscribers and then 40,000 watch hours. But in both of these channels, I was able to get monetized within 3 months. So 90 days. So that's why I want to try to get this channel that the video's on right now monetized in 90 days, because that's what I've been able to do. Now, things are going to be a little bit different because I'm not talking about like trending topics and things like that. I'm just talking about YouTube. But again, the goal of this channel is to teach you and let you know what worked for me, what didn't work, and how much money I made per view and whatever you guys want to know. I'm an open book. I will show you these channels and yeah. So hopefully you would be more than willing to join me on the ride. So right now on this channel, here's my stats, and I'm recording this video. It's September 28th, 2024. So I'll be uploading this actually October 1st. I had to look at the calendar. So yeah, October 1st, I'll be uploading this video, and I want to show you where I'm starting today, which is 66 subscribers. And I uploaded 2 videos in the past 2 days. and 0 watch hours. So I literally am starting from scratch. I started posting videos on this channel 4 years ago, but I stopped because I didn't have the confidence, because I didn't think I could do it. And I decided the pandemic happened, and then I decided to go in a different direction. But the number one reason was I didn't think I could do it. And there's nothing more inspiring than seeing people start from scratch, for the most part, and then seeing them succeed, right? Because it gives you the inspiration. Well, if they can do it, then I can do it, right? And that is my goal, is to just educate and inspire you. And I don't care how old you are. I don't care if you're over 40, 50, 60, 70. It doesn't matter. You can be successful as well. And not only can you be successful, but you can make such a huge impact. One of those channels was about unemployment. And the biggest joy I got was people coming to me and saying, you know what? Because of your channel, I was able to get 6 months of my unemployment paycheck. Because, as you know, unemployment was a disaster during the pandemic and people weren't getting paid. So I was helping people literally to get paid. And I spent an enormous amount of time on this channel. But what I got in return was absolutely amazing, because I made such an impact. So if that's one advice I can give you, is don't make the channel about you, right? Make your channel to help other people. And if you can do that, and people can sense that from you, they sense that you're genuine. They sense that you're real, and they sense that they legit want to help you. They're going to join your tribe. They're going to join your community. So I urge you to join this journey with me the next 90 days. Let me hold your hand. Just be here. Ask me questions. And again, I will not claim by any means that I'm an expert. I've done, I think, a pretty good job, right? Oh, and working full time and having 5 kids, by the way. Okay. You know, I've done pretty well, but I can do a lot more, and I can impact a lot more. And if that resonates with you, if you want someone to do this journey with, then definitely don't forget to like and subscribe. And ultimately, the goal here is for you to get your videos in front of people that are already searching for whatever you're creating the videos for. It's just like how you're watching this video now, right? YouTube put my video in front of you to take a look at. And that's the goal of what we're going to do here. And if you are interested in working closer together, getting access to me, click on the link below this video in the description, and you'll not only have access to me, but you will have an entire community that will be supporting you in your online journey. We're going to teach you how to not only succeed with YouTube, but how to create multiple income streams. AdSense is great, right? But as you can see, you know, it could be inconsistent, right? And I think the most money I've made in a month was $5,000 with AdSense. And there's nothing wrong with wanting to make a little bit more, right? So yeah, if you are interested in learning how to make money online, as well as build your YouTube channel to, you know, get monetized or whatever, then yeah, click on the link below this video, and I'm going to be doing workshops a couple times a month for the people that decide to join with me. And yeah, let's work closer together. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.